Hey coders, let's supercharge your IntelliJ IDEA with Tabnine's AI-powered code completion. First, open IntelliJ IDEA. Go to File, Settings, or Preferences on macOS. Head to the Plugins tab, click Marketplace, and search for Tabnine. Click Install. Once installed, click Restart IDE to activate the plugin. After restarting, find the Tabnine logo in the status bar. Click it to open the Tabnine hub. Hit Register, Sign in the top right corner, and log in or sign up with your email. Now, start coding. Tabnine suggests code as you type. Press Tab or Enter to accept suggestions. It adapts to your style, offering context-aware completions. Need help? Use Tabnine Chat. Select code, open the chat panel, and ask questions or request fixes. It's like having a coding buddy. Pro tips, keep coding consistently for better suggestions, and check the Tabnine hub to tweak settings. Update the plugin regularly for new features. Tabnine saves time, reduces errors, and supports tons of languages like Java, Python, and JavaScript. It's perfect for solo or team projects. That's it, guys. You're ready to code smarter with Tabnine and IntelliJ. Drop a comment if this helped, and happy coding.